Good morning guys, it is great to see you again. This is Catherine and welcome back to another video. I'm really enjoying my free time to snorkel, swim and sunbathe before cruising along the sea to get close-up views of the scampering monkeys along the cliffs and trees at Monkey Beach. Monkey Beach is located on the southwestern side of Tonsai Bay. It is a simply stunning 150 meters long strip of white powdery sand fringed by emerald water. The backside of the beach is a rather steep limestone cliff covered with lush vegetation that offers monkeys a comfortable habitat. Most of the people visiting Monkey Beach brought the bad habit of feeding the monkeys, so they now expect to get something to eat when they see visitors coming. Beware of these wild animals' behavior and do not go too close to them. Biting and scratching are common and painful issues, and you certainly do not want to have to visit Phi Phi Hospital to get a rabies vaccine during your holiday. And that's it already for today's video, and thank you all for watching. And please, to those who are not subscribed to this channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notification before you go so you don't miss any of my videos. And hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section. And please let me know if you already experienced traveling to Phi Phi Islands or if you're still planning to explore that magical location. If you want to explore more travel guides, then click any of these to continue watching my videos. See you soon!